Hello everybody, welcome back to my 1 minute cloud computing learning session. In this session, I'll be providing an alternative definition of cloud computing given by Mr. L.M. Vaquero. As you probably know that cloud computing have many definitions for a simple reason that cloud computing cannot be confined in a single definition because of the nature of cloud computing itself. Cloud computing being born out of the amalgamation of many technologies has different perspective. One of the well-known definition as we know is from NIST, which has been practically accepted by everybody. However, there are different views of looking at cloud computing, and here is one. According to this, clouds are large pools of easily usable and accessible virtualized resources. What it means this, it's a large pool. What we mean actually is a data center, and easily usable and accessible means convenient access is given to the user. These resources include hardware, development platform, and services. What it actually means is it includes services such as hardware, that means infrastructure as a service, development platform, that means platform as a service, and services, that means software as a service. These resources can be dynamically reconfigured to adjust a variable load, allowing user for an optimal resource utilization. What it means is dynamically reconfigured means it can be customized to a particular user on demand. And a variable load, that means whether it's a user starts with a minimum amount of consumption and goes on increasing his consumption, or he starts with a high consumption and comes down to a lower one, that can be taken care, allowing optimal user resource utilization. What it actually means is pooling of resources, that means as and when the user requests, the resources are given and taken back. This is what is called pooling of resources. This pool of resources is typically exploited by a pay-per-use model. So this gives you the commercial side of cloud computing, how cloud computing actually charges its users, that is pay-per-use, in which guaranteed are offered by the infrastructure provider by means of customized SLA. See, service level agreement is one of the cornerstone in cloud computing, which gives you guarantees to the end user regarding the quality, quantity, and the reliability of services offered by a cloud service provider.